How to reset your iPad if you've forgotten the password. So if you're locked out of your iPad and you've forgotten the passcode, I'm going to show you how to go in and reset this. Now all you'll need for this is a computer and also a USB-C cable. So this can be a Windows computer or also a Mac as well. Now from your computer, you need to go and load up the iTunes app. If you don't already have this, you can go and download it completely for free online. Now once you have this app open and running, we then need to grab a USB-C cable, go and plug one end into your computer and the other end into your iPad. Once everything's connected, make sure your iPad is turned on like this, and then we need to go and press down the following keys. We're going to quickly press the volume up button, the volume down button, and then hold the lock screen button on the top right hand side of the device. Now you need to continue holding this button down for around about 45 seconds. Eventually the screen is going to go black, just continue to hold the button down. You'll then see the Apple logo appear, and after a couple of seconds you'll see this recovery screen. When you see the recovery screen, go and release the lock screen button. If it doesn't work the first time round, you can just go in and repeat these steps. Now as long as you have iTunes open on your computer, you're going to see this pop-up window. From here we can just press restore, and it will say, are you sure you want to restore the iPad to its factory settings? All of your media and data will be erased. So if you're happy to do this, just press restore and update, and this will go in, remove the passcode from your iPad. Now you can always recover and restore your data later on as long as you have everything backed up to iCloud.